Hello children, here once again we are here, but today we are going to do some activities. Are you ready? Okay, which activities? Which sound word we have done? Correct, I sound word. So come on fast, be ready with your book and a pencil. Come on fast children. Are you ready? Very good. So all of you look on the board. Now today we are going to learn something new, that is rhyming words. I have told you before, what is rhyming words? Yes, which have rhyming sound at the end, like bib. So, ib. We have learned that, right? Okay. So, today we are going to do activity with rhyming words. So, are you ready? Okay. What you are going to do? You are just going to look at the middle sound and the last sound. Okay. See it and you have to match with it. Okay, children, be ready. Okay, now first one is done for you. You have to read the spelling. Come on, read. B-I-B, bib. What it is, children? B-I-B, bib. Can you see middle sound? Yes, what it is? I. And what is the sound? B. Okay, now you have to match it with N-I-B, nib. Can you see both the sound? Yes, it is same. That is called rhyming sound. Okay. Now look at the next word. What it is? Come on, all of you try. F-I-G, fig. Once again children, first you have to repeat the words and then only you will able to join. Right? Come on. F-I-G, fig. What you have to do here? Correct. You have to look at the middle sound and the last sound. Now, come on, find the word over here. Where it is? Correct. Here it is. B-I-G, big. So, what we are going to do? Yes, we are going to join it. So, fig we are going to join with big because fig and big. What is the rhyming sound here? Ig, right? Okay, good. Now, we will go to next word. What it is? Always you have to read the spelling. So, come on, repeat after me. G-O-T, got. All of you repeat. G-O-T, got. What you are going to do next? Yes, you are going to find word here. Which word? Correct. H-O-T, hot. Can you see children? See. What is the middle sound here? O. And what is the last sound? T. Now match it here. Can you see? Yes, middle sound is O and last sound is T. So, what we are going to do? Correct. We are going to join. Got and hot, right? Very good. Now, look at the next word. What it is? Read the spelling. T-I-P, tip. What is the rhyming word? Ip. I-P, ip. That is rhyming word. Okay, once again. T-I-P, tip. Now, what we are going to do? Come on, try. Yes, very good. We are going to find ip sound over here, rhyming sound, right? Where it is? Yes, first one. Come on, all of you read. L-I-P, lip. Once again, L-I-P, lip. So, what we are going to do? Yes, tip we are going to join with lip, right? Very good. Now, the last word. What is that, children? Correct. B-I and bin. And what is the rhyming sound? In, right? Okay. Now, here, where it is? Very good. Here. T-I and tin. What is the rhyming sound? I and in. So, what we are going to do? Yes, we are going to join. Very good. Now, we are going to do one more activity. Okay, look here. Now, here this side we are having a picture. Beautiful, colorful picture. And here what we are having? We are having a word. Okay. So, before we start, what we are going to do? Yes, we are going to look at the picture and you are going to try and tell me what is that. Come on, look here. What is it? Correct. Lips. All of you point out your lips. Very good. Now, see the next picture. What is that? Yes, correct. Bin. What you do there? Yes, we put waste thing in a bin. Very good. What is this? Yes, everybody knows. Fish. Now, what is this? This is a ship, right? Now, we are going to find the words here and we have to join it. But before that, we are going to read this word. Okay, come on, all of you repeat after me. S-H-I-P, ship. Again, children, S-H-I-P, ship. F-I-S-H, fish. Again, F-I-S-H, fish. L-I-P-S, lips. Again, L-I-P-S, lips. B-I-N, bin. Very good. B-I-N, bin. Now, all of you enjoy doing this, right? What we are going to do? Correct. We are going to join. Okay, for that what we are going to do? Yes, you have to take your book and a pencil. Right. Now, first one is done for you. Can you see? Yes, we are going to join the other pictures. Come on, tell me what is this? Correct. Bin. Now, you're fine. Where is the bin? Come on, tell me. Come on, all of you look here. Correct, this one. So, what we are going to do? We are going to join it. B-I-N, bin. Now, look at the next picture. What is that? Yes, fish, right? Okay, you are going to find here. Where is fish? Correct, here. So, we are going to join. Good. Now, look at the last picture. What it is? Yes, correct. Ship. So, where is ship? Here. Good. So, we are going to join. Right? Have you finished these activities? Very good. Now, can you see something over here? What is that? Tell me. What is that? Yes. What? We are going to write some words. Okay. So, for that what we are going to do? Look at the first picture. This you all know because we have already studied. What is that? Yes, it is a correct kite. Now, tell me what is the spelling of kite? Come on, try. K-I-T-E, kite. So, what we are going to write here? Yes, we are going to write here kite. Come on, try all of you. K-I-T-E, kite. Very good. Now, look at the next picture. What is that? Yes, correct. Pin. What it is, children? Pin. So, we are going to write. Come on, try and say the word. Correct. P-I-N, pin. Come on, write here. P-I-N, pin. Very good. You all have to write with me, right, children? Good. Now, what is this? It is a kit. It is a first aid kit. Okay, when suddenly we fall and we get hurt, what mama does? Yes, she brings first aid kit and she put bandage, right? Okay, so what is this? Kit. All of you repeat. Kit. Come on, say the spelling. K-I-T, kit. So, what we are going to do? We are going to write here. K-I-T, kit. Okay. Now, what is this? Yes, we have learned. It is a bin. What it is? Bin. So, come on, say the spelling of bin. Correct. B-I-N, bin. Come on, B-I-N, bin. Okay, very good. And here are few things which we use. Where we use? Yes, in a bathroom. What is that? That is toilet paper. Then toothbrush, toothpaste, then mirror, soap, shower gel, towel. These all things we use in a bathroom, right? So, children, this everything you have to practice at home and be a good children. Thank you.